Do you find difficulty when running an online learning? Or you might feel overwhelmed? It's probably because you don't know yet how to overcome with this online learning, the new situation. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 basic skills that you need to know to make sure you have the most value while doing online learning. Number 1. Basic computer skill. Do you know why I put this skill in the beginning? That is because this skill is the most essential skill that you must have. In online learning, you will learn through LMS, an online platform, and you will be also uploading your assignments, doing researches, installing software, making presentation and audio record, or you may need converting a document to PDF files. So to achieve the effective learning, you will need to be familiar with these features so that your learning will run smoothly. You can learn these features via YouTube tutorial, or you may ask your friends. Number 2. Digital communication skill. As an online student, you will be communicating with your lecturer and your classmate in a variety of ways. Digital communication is divided into 2 types. The first one is delayed communication, or you may call it asynchronous, where you post discussion using WhatsApp chat and learning through video recorded. The second one is synchronous, a real-time talk. Usually, it is using a virtual classroom, Zoom meeting, live quizzes, or live presentation. So to communicate with your lecturer and your classmate better, you will need to use a netiquette rule. Netiquette rule is a digital communication rule that requires you to be polite, be positive, no sarcasm, be present, and be professional. If you haven't used this rule before, I suggest you to use this rule to avoid misunderstanding. Number 3. Collaboration skill. You might be collaborating with your classmates through online group projects. So developing a good collaboration skill will be an asset beyond the online classroom. There are 3 keys that you need to know while doing online group projects. The first one is you need to be familiar with the application that your group will use. Number 2, you need to cooperate with your group member. Remember to be involved, be present, and respond to the group communication. Number 3, you need to make a positive outcome for your teamwork. So with these 3 keys, you will be able to collaborate with your group member successfully. Number 4. Time management skill with creating a weekly schedule. You probably think that this is a classic method. Well, yes, it is a classic method that many people already proved. Many success people put this habit into their daily life to keep them organized. So, as a student, you will also need time management skills so that you will know which assignment should you prioritize first. Create a weekly schedule and set a daily reminder for yourself so that you will give yourself enough extra time to complete your assignments. It takes time to develop a good habits, but you will gain satisfaction from being well organized and accomplishing your assignments. So, did you already have those 4 skills? If you haven't, don't worry, because you will learn in your own good times. In online learning, you need to study smarter, not study harder. Remember to stay healthy, stay motivated, and brave. break the lead. I am Mira, and see you next time.